Ben, what you got?
Copper. I've been long since February, January. I recommended it on the show here, I don't know, a month ago or something. It's been on a complete tear. It's up 30% in the last 3 months. Historically, that's where, it can take a little time off to consolidate. And there's often the thing in nature when you go through a phase transition, the volatility rises. And you're seeing that here as well. I mean, last night it opened at 520, and right now it's at 502 for a 4% intraday reversal, or 24 hours since it's futures. So what I'm going to do, because I do like the longer term, medium term story, is I'm going to sell calls to buy puts, something called the risk reversal, or you could call it a collar, and take advantage of the higher vol. I get 3 extra points, so I can be at the 465 puts funded by the 550 calls. And this is just a way that I can stay in it for another 10% and cut off any kind of drawdown beyond 8%. One of the charts I put on this morning shows that China's inventory levels are very, very elevated. And the other thing I think about is there's everybody, if you go on Twitter, you see all my research from the Wall Street, everybody's a copper bull now. It's very consensus long. And, you never know with these things because of the inventory, who's sitting on what and when they decide that will be a good price to take. So longer term, the supply issue is there. Copper's not negative on copper. This is more of a short term issue that I think it's a little bit over its skis and needs to consolidate. And, these things have a way of having carry drawdown risk at times.